Hello guys, and welcome back to Lazi-Low Collectibles, and welcome back to a brand new video. And this week we have this Corgi toys on the turntable. Not too bad, a bit chipped, missing some paint, but that's what we like. Off the turntable, so let's take a closer look what we got here. So this is a Corgi toys made in Great Britain, and this is Mercedes Benz 300 SL Roadster. And I've got the roof. The windscreen is in a good nick. I think there's a little scratch in there, but that's okay. I also have another one, which is the same, but different wheel. So not sure which one I'm going to do yet, which wheel. Maybe I turn this one out, and I will do that. Anyway, this is for parts, and I think they are identical. So I will take this apart, and I will use again the best parts from both cars. So if one of the plastics, but I think it's all metal, so I will take this apart, and I'll come back with the assembly process. So this has been drilled out, should pop out easy. Not sure about the back, might have to take these edges off, but should pop out as well. Yes, so that's now open, and I've never seen this before. These are the suspensions for the car, these springs. So not sure what I need to do with it. I think, oh yeah, they just come out. Okay, so that's the spring for the car. One, and this should come out as well. Two, so these are the springs. Let's see the base. I need to yeah, I need to take these off. Don't know why the camera is not focusing. Yeah, which one is the slimmer? This one I need to take off, and probably that end, yes. And then I will take them out, and I will treat the base. The windscreen is drilled in, and there is also yeah, this one. Oh, actually, oh yeah, because I've got the roof, so I think I have to drill this as well, and then it will come out like that. The windscreen sits obviously on the roof, so I have to drill that as well. So I will do that, and I'll come back. So let's see the Mercedes before reassembly. So that's the body, and I added some extra details. Done some tail lights, bumpers. I like the color, it's really nice. I had to paint the base twice because when I put the clear coat on, it actually went cracked, so I had to do it again. I polished up the tires, the wheels, and put some new tires. So I think that looks good. And I had to paint the not the windscreen, but the top of the cabin twice as well, because after the clear coat this went bonkers as well. So there's definitely something wrong with my clear coat, so I need to find another solution. So I will put this together. I need to put these little springs in as well. The camera is not focusing, so I need to put these in as well, and I will put this on the turntable. So here we go, a well played Corgi Toys Mercedes 300 SL Roadster. All the parts are here. It's just the paint and some touching up needed really. And this is our Mercedes or Mercedes. After restoration, I changed the color a little bit. I added some details and got new tires. So I'm really happy. Think it's a beautiful model again from Corgi Toys. And also it's an iconic car. One of the nicest, I think, from Mercedes. So everything's new, I mean repainted and refreshed. So here we go, guys. We have the Mercedes finished, and I think it looks really nice. I put the rivets in. I had a little bit trouble with the base. I've got some glue around. The spring is very hard inside, which gives the suspension, and it was really difficult to put the base on. Otherwise the car is ready. I like the color on the roof, and I think the details are nice. It's a nice car. It's a good roller as well. It rolls very well. So I hope you enjoyed this restoration video, guys. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, also comment, and please subscribe to the channel if you want. Have a great weekend, guys. Come back next Friday. I will have another video, another restoration video. So take care, guys. Cheers, and see you next time. Bye-bye.